You'll need 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 pound of high-quality bittersweet chocolate, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of flour. 2 6-inch heart-shaped pans with a spray oil or Crisco and a light dusting of cocoa powder. You could also line them with parchment paper. Now set the oven to 375 convection or 400 for a regular oven. Over a double boiler, or in my case a pot of hot water with a bowl set on top, melt the butter and the chocolate. Set that aside. Break the 4 eggs into a bowl and give them a stir. Add the sugar and stir again. Place a clean bowl over the hot water and add the egg mixture to it. Stir that until it's warm to the touch. Pour that into the mixer bowl. Bring the mixer slowly to high and beat for 8 minutes. Here's what it looks like when it's done. Now pour 1/3 of the egg mixture into the chocolate mixture. Fold them together in 3 additions. Add the 1 tablespoon of flour as you're folding. Split the batter between the 2 pans. Pop them in the oven for 15 minutes. While the cakes are baking, make the ganache. In a heavy saucepan over medium heat, warm up 1 cup of heavy cream and add the 8 ounces of chocolate. Stir until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of corn syrup to add extra shine, but that's optional. Now don't overbake these. They may appear like they're not done yet, but they only need to bake for 15 minutes. Then let them cool. Remove them from the pans. Ideally, you would have a cookie sheet with a rack above for the chocolate to drip down onto. If you don't have that, here's the next best way to coat the cakes. Yeah, believe it or not, I do not have a cookie rack. Warm up some raspberry preserves that has been put through a sieve, or use jam. Spread that onto the top and then pour the ganache on and spread. Next, pipe a border using the ganache after it has cooled enough. I made a chocolate rose with the ganache. I'll put a link at the end of the video to my rose tutorial. Some simple sugar sprinkles and rose petals completed this cake design. Strawberries make an easy and beautiful decoration for this cake, and raspberries would look amazing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.